For precise and efficient rough machining, we have a diverse and modern machine outfit, as well as extensive experience in the cutting of all kinds of materials. It is particularly advantageous to purchase ready-to-install components, as this reduces turnaround times and overall costs. It also makes it possible for us to optimize processes along the entire value-added chain, which in turn benefits the customer. The responsibility for the finished component is entirely in our hands. Our extensive experience in the machining of all kinds of materials and the use of state-of-the-art CNC machining equipment ensure quality and cost-effectiveness. We are just as at home with the fabrication of complicated and work-intensive individual pieces as with the processing of duplicate parts in small and medium-sized batches. We assemble entire modules for our customers and test the assembled part on our measuring machine for dimensional perfection and operational reliability. That way, our customers enjoy perfect service from one source along the entire value-added chain, from the material to the ready-to-install module.